The Agricultural Credit Policy Council, or ACPC, is an attached agency of the Department of Agriculture. Created in 1986 by virtue of Executive Order 113, the ACPC's mission is to develop and advocate agri-credit policies and programs that promote farmers and fisherfolk's access to sustained financial services. The ACPC is a governing council composed of the Secretary of the Department of Agriculture as Chair, the Governor of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as Vice Chair, together with the Secretaries of the Department of Finance, the Department of Budget and Management, and the Director General of the National Economic and Development Authority as members. Under EO 113, the ACPC is mandated to assist the DA in synchronizing all credit policies and programs in support of the DA's priority programs. In addition, the ACPC is in charge of reviewing and evaluating the economic soundness of all ongoing and proposed agricultural credit programs. For this purpose, ACPC conducts policy research aimed at increasing the flow of credit to the agriculture and fisheries sector. This is supported by ACPC's regular monitoring and evaluation activities aimed at promoting results-based management and accountability. In 1992, under Republic Act 7607, or the Magna Carta of Small Farmers, the agency was additionally given the following mandates: to conduct institutional capacity building programs that transform farmer and fisherfolk organizations into financially viable entities, to undertake information dissemination activities to raise farmers' and fishers' awareness and improve their understanding of the initiatives and interventions being carried out by the agency, and to conduct special projects to promote and manage the implementation of innovative financing schemes for small farmers and fisherfolk, particularly those who lack collateral. As a result of ACPC's policy advocacy work, a series of reforms in agricultural credit were introduced under Republic Act 8435, otherwise known as the Agriculture and Fisheries Modernization Act of 1997, or AFMA. AFMA's policy reform requires that all directed credit programs for agriculture of the government be phased out, and that all the remaining loanable funds be collected and consolidated into the Agro-Industry Modernization Credit and Financing Program, or AMCFP. The ACPC oversees the AMCFP, which is the Government Umbrella Credit Program for agriculture and fisheries. ACPC also assists in the implementation of the Agri-Agra Reform Credit Act, or RA 10,000, by accrediting debt securities and non-bank rural financial institutions where investments in them can be used by banks as alternative form of compliance to the law. To fulfill its mission, ACPC ensures the efficiency of its internal operations, including the management of its information systems, administrative functions, and financial resources. Today, the ACPC remains steadfast in fulfilling its goal of providing easy, convenient, and affordable credit for small farmers and fisherfolk. As the country's premier institution in rural finance research and program development, ACPC continues to perform its unique and vital role in the government's efforts to attain food security and inclusive growth for all. The Agricultural Credit Policy Council, making affordable credit accessible to small farmers and fisherfolk.